So I got this laptop. It had the problem of sound distortion from the speakers. So I have decided to repair the speakers instead of replacing them. It was very, easy repair or fix. I just put the UHU glue on the speakers so that the distortion coming from the torn paper should go away. I will show you what I did to the speakers of this laptop. So if you open this, here you can see actually these caps were coming outside, like they were not stick with the border of the speaker. So whenever the sound was coming from them, the vibration was making annoying sound. So I have put this glue so that the vibration cannot make that annoying sound from the speakers. So after I will close this laptop again, like everything back to its place, I will turn this on and then I will show you if the sound is coming good or not, or the solution or the problem is solved or not. Okay, so let's close the laptop now. So I have closed the laptop. So let's check the sound. Is there any distortion coming from the speakers now or not?